Welcome to clickmeproject.com. GreenBSN enabling energy professional cellular base station network. Abstract. In this GreenBSN, energy professionality seeks to achieve load adaptive energy consumptions in communications. The less traffic load the network carries, the smaller amount of energy the system consumes. In this green-based station network, to approximate network-wide energy proportionality using non-load adaptive BSS by leveraging the inherent temporal, spatial traffic dynamics and node deployment heterogeneity, the power of underutilized BSS under light traffic. The evaluation also shows the GreenBSN schema is simple, energy saving and close to optimal, and it improves efficiency of the BS infrastructure for 3G UMTS. Now I am going to explain the data flow diagram. The data flow diagram has many devices. They are supporting subsystem, communication subsystem, transmission device, RNC transmissions, on-off base stations, accept monitor traffic, trigger monitor traffic, trigger HO wait for on signal, and accept monitor traffic, receiving devices. These are all used into the data flow diagram. First, supporting subsystem. The supporting subsystems are power devices and other auxiliaries. These are connected into the communication subsystem. The communication subsystems are BBU and RRU. BBU is a baseband unit and RRU is a remote radio unit. These are all connected into the transmission device. The transmission device is used to transmit the signal from one to another, and the transmission device is connected into the RNC transmission. The RNC transmission is a radio network controller. It mainly used to manages the tens or 100 BSS, and it provides control for radio resource management with RAN. Then it connected into the on-off base stations. If need on, accept monitor traffic and the need off, trigger monitor traffic. Then shelf on, trigger HO wait for on signal, and it off, accept monitor traffic. Finally, it connected into the receiving device. In the transmission signal finally received into the another devices. Now I am going to run the project GreenBSN enabling energy professional cellular base station network. First I am clicking the enter button. It has creating nodes. Then it has get link, source node, destination node and proceed. First I am clicking get link. It has node ID and path. These are all nodes, these are all corresponding IDs, and these are all paths. Then I am getting source node and also destination node. Then I proceed to next frame. It has a distance estimation between active region and user. First I am clicking distance estimation. It has a source node, destination node, distance and path. The distance and path are mainly used to how many distance to be traveled between the source node and destination node. And I am proceed to next frame. That is a path selection. First I am clicking the path estimation. It has a node, X region, Y region and path. X region and Y region are used to calculating the path distance, and I am proceed to next frame. That is a selection nodes. First I am giving the port number and I am selecting the node. then I'm select data also. Any one of this data I'm selected, then I'm send, and I'm going to proceed to next frame, that is on receiving process. This is on destination node, then port number. I'm going to receive the data. These are receiving data. Then I'm proceed to next frame, that is a base station clustering. The base station clustering has an two types. There are on off status and virtual grids. These are an on off station, that is a checking processor. First, the base station off, the data is not received because the base station is off condition. If any one of the base station is off, the receive is not received. Then I'm going to receive the data from the base station on conditions. The data will be received. Then I'm going to proceed next frame, that is on virtual grids. It has region 1, region 2, region 3. First I'm going to click in region 1. It has an active base station region 1. First I'm getting data. I'm getting any of the data will be showed. Then I'm going to back, that is on region 2 I will be clicking. It also has a region 2, and then I'm getting data again. Then I'm going to back into the virtual grids. Then I'm clicking region 2, and I'm also getting data. Any of the data I will be selected, it will be showed. It will be showed. I'm getting back, then I am getting data from the historical data. These are all the historical data from region 1, region 2 and region 3. Now I'm going to proceed to next frame, that is an available path. First I'm clicking view paths. These are all paths: source node, destination node, distance and paths. First I'm giving the source node 1 and the destination node 7, and the corresponding path is 4. Now I'm clicking path. The path is 4 will be displayed, and I'm proceed to next frame, that is on traffic analysis, region 1 and region 2. First it giving the data. Now I'm going to select any of the data to be sent to region 2, and the region 2 will be received. The data will be received without any traffic. Now I'm going to proceed to next frame, that is a comparison. This is an after and before sending the data. First I'm clicking traffic overhead. This is a traffic overhead. It has a traffic and bandwidth. It has range and hierarchical. First I'm going to click throughput. It has a value and category. It has traffic, range and energy saving. These are all performed into the GreenBSN, enabling energy professional cellular base station network. Thank you.